National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Yorkville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Carroll Stream, Romeoville, Plainfield, Addison, Oswego, Glen Ellen, Lockport, Westmont, New Lenox, Homer Glen and Lisle. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 250 and 276. Interstate 80 between mile markers 124 and 143. Interstate 88 between mile markers 117 and 139. Interstate 290 between mile markers 10 and 15. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 7, and between mile markers 11 and 28. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, University of St. Francis, Aurora University, Benedictine University, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, Morton Arboretum, Wheaton College, and North Central College. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. A severe thunderstorm